Hi viewer, thanks for watching. This is the second part of the fry piece biryani recipe. If you missed the first part, link is below in description. Let's begin our preparation of biryani rice. Ingredients required are Basmati rice, 2 glasses, onion 1, green chilies 3, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, handful of fresh curry leaves, handful of mint leaves, 1 ladle full of cooking oil, table salt as per your taste, cashew nuts 10 to 15, ghee 2 tablespoons, fresh lemon juice as per taste, biryani spices, bay leaf 1, star anise 1, cloves 5, cinnamon sticks 2, cardamom 2, black cardamom 1, mace 1, shah jeera 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, biryani masala powder 2 teaspoons. Wash the long grain biryani rice and soak it for half an hour in water. Take a heavy bottomed vessel, Biryani Handi, and place it on the stove. Switch on the flame and heat the vessel. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 ladleful of oil, then heat it. Add biryani whole spices and fry it on low flame. Add sliced onions, green chilies, and fry it until it turns brown. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and fry it until the raw aroma disappears. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, ½ teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of biryani masala. Mix it well. Add cashew nuts, handful of curry leaves, and mix them well. Add 4 glasses of water to the 2 glasses of basmati rice. Add 3 glasses of chicken stock, which we kept aside in early video, and 1 glass of normal water to the vessel. Cover the lid and let it boil. Add salt as per the taste. Once water get boiled, add soaked basmati rice into it and stir it well. Let it cook for 15-20 minutes on a medium flame. When the rice is 80% cooked, then add chicken fry on the top and also add mint leaves. Now simmer the stove and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Open the lid and check it. If it is cooked well, then switch off the flame. Finally, add the lemon juice as per taste into it. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now your fry piece biryani is ready to serve.